In this video, we're going to talk about the perimeter. Perimeter is the total length around the outside of a shape. To find the perimeter, you add together the lengths of all the sides. It means perimeter equal sum of the lengths of all sides of a shape. Perimeter of a rectangle. We already know the rectangle has 4 sides and opposite sides are equal in length. So the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Therefore, the perimeter is equal to 2 times length plus 2 times breadth, which is equal to twice of length plus breadth. Find the perimeter of the rectangle. The perimeter is equal to 2 times length plus breadth. Here length is 10 centimeters and breadth is 5 centimeters. Using the formula, the perimeter is 2 times 10 plus 5, which means 2 times 15. The final answer is 30 centimeters. Perimeter of a square. We already know the square has 4 sides and all sides are equal in length. Therefore, the perimeter of a square is equal to the length plus length plus length plus length, which means 4 times length. Find the perimeter of the square. The perimeter is equal to 4 times length. Here, the length is 4 centimeters. Using the formula, the perimeter is 4 times 4. So the final answer is 16 centimeters. Perimeter of a triangle. We already know that a triangle has 3 sides. To find the perimeter, we have to get the sum of the length of 3 sides. Therefore, the perimeter is A plus B plus C. Find the perimeter of the triangle. The perimeter is equal to the sum of the length of 3 sides of the triangle. Therefore, the perimeter is equal to 10 plus 12 plus 9. So the final answer is 31 centimeters. You now understand how to find the perimeter of rectangles, squares, and triangles. Thank you. Have a nice day.